If you plan to sell the digital products, or you want to scale your digital product, or you want to make money not having the advanced programming skills or IT skills by selling the websites to other people and making the sales funnels for them, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be reviewing Kartra as one of the platforms which you can use for your online business. And the special gift for you I give is the 30-day free trial of Kartra you can get. Please click on the link below, and in this video, which will be in a couple seconds next, I show you how to get the 30-day free trial. It's a little trick how you have to do this, because by yourself, if you go to Kartra, you can just not get trial at all or get the 14-day trial. In this link, if you click below, I give you free 30-day trial of Kartra. To get the free 30 days Kartra trial, go to the link below and click Start Your Trial. You'll have the page with the pricing plans, and as you can see, here you can just get the trial for 14 days. But to get for the 30 days, you have to go up like you are going to close the page. Just don't close it. And here you go, the pop-up window will go, and you see here you get the 30-day free trial. So you have to click yes, double my trial, and then you will have the window to put the data of your credit card, and pay $1. But please keep in mind, you're using it for 30 days, and delete your credit card since you don't want to use Kartra. My name is Olga. I am the online entrepreneur from Ukraine. I have the 6 figures online business in different spheres. It's like online courses, online shops, affiliation marketing programs, and different financial instruments. So in this YouTube channel, I'll be talking a lot about the instruments you can use to start or scale your online business. So let's go back to Kartra and to Kartra Overview in 2021. I use Kartra for myself, and I compared it to different platforms. I compared it to ClickFunnels, to Kajabi, to Teachable, and number of other platforms, and I figured out this Kartra is the best for me. It's most user-friendly, it's most simple, you don't need, it's like very intuitional, you don't need to spend a lot of time to understand how it works, and it's really good looking, which for me was important because, for example, like ClickFunnels looks a little bit of messy. And what is important for entrepreneurs from not English-speaking countries, it's easy to adapt to the other language, because if you're selling the digital products not on English-speaking market, then you might have a problem with different platforms that you cannot adapt it to your language. I was able to adapt it to Ukrainian, which is in Cyrillic letters, so it will work for you for sure. That's why Kartra. So for who is Kartra? Actually, I will start for who Kartra is not good in online business. So if you plan to sell the product, like the physical product, or to do the drop shipping of the physical products, the Kartra probably is not good for you. For this, you can better use Shopify, WooCommerce, or Wix if you want to build the online shop for your physical goods and products you want to sell. But if you are selling or scaling the digital product, or you want to make the sales funnels for the affiliation marketing program, or as I told, you want to start your online business and sell the websites, develop the websites, like personal websites, sales funnels, and more complex websites for other people, and you don't have any advanced programming skills, you can use Kartra as well. So you can use it for your online business, or you can actually make business using the Kartra as a tool for website building for people who also want to sell the digital products. But just keep in mind that Kartra is not good for selling physical products, unless, like, it's one example that it was working for me when I wanted to make additional sales funnel to my Shopify store, making the quizzes. Yeah, in this way it works. But in the other way, Kartra is not working for selling the physical goods. So let's continue with the overview, and now I'm switching to my Kartra account, and I will be showing you how to use it. I'll make you the overview from the cabinet how the Kartra is working. So basically the first thing you will see is the dashboard, which I usually actually don't use because I don't need it. If I need some statistics and data, I look to the specific sections which I show you after. Here you have the Kartra training portal where you can get all additional information about how to use Kartra functions if you need it additionally. So you just open it and you see the whole structure and the whole training program of how to use different Kartra functions. It's very convenient if you need to do something, or actually you can watch the YouTube video, it's plenty of them, or you can subscribe to my channel. I'll be showing you this as well. I have Kartra support, which is working really good based on the tickets. I always use it by myself. And here you can have the marketplace, where you can find the paid or free template of different websites and campaigns. Honestly, I was not using them because I prefer to do everything custom by myself, but I will be doing for you. Please subscribe to this channel because I will be doing for you the special developed free templates that you can use for different type of your business. So this is basically the resources you can use in Kartra. Let's move on seeing what functionality Kartra has. And I would skip my products at first because it's very complex, and if you're on the first year of your online business, it might be too complex for you. So I recommend you to start from my pages. This is the basic function that is on Kartra. It allows you to build your website. This is something you need to start from, and to build the website you will be building the separate pages and then connecting them between themselves. Here's the bunch of my pages. It's very easy and intuitional to use Kartra. I'll be showing you in the next videos how to make the page, and here I will just show you how easy it is. So after you click the create the page, you see the pre-made templates as well. It depends on you because I was not using them. I prefer to make everything custom, but you can choose the pre-made template, or you can launch the builder, name your campaign or your website page, sorry. You select a category, no category in specific. I'll be covering this later in my videos. Here just showing you how intuitionally convenient is to use Kartra pages. Then the page builder will open and you will see here the different sections. You can use any section, just simply drag and drop. It will appear and you can change any feature here. You can change text, you can change color, you can change icon, or you can add icon. For example, you select glass, apply, and here it is. You can add the link, you can add the effects. So basically everything is very intuitional and very convenient. And here you can also change all the design of the whole section. For example, change the color or like do whatever. And you also have the pre-made sections that you can easily drag and drop depending on how you want your website to look like, and just start changing colors, texts, buttons, and pictures. So basically I showed you this, guys, just to know that it's all very, very simple and intuitional. But anyways, there are some functions like pop-ups, alert bars, integration of Helpdesks, connecting different pop-up forms that I will show you in the next YouTube videos, but basics are very simple. In the pages section you can also see the analytics, which is very, very good. For each of your pages you can see, for instance, I will choose this. You will see the number of visitors, number of goals reached, for example, link click or sale, and you can also see the engagement, how people were interacting with your page. You see the number of visitors, you can see how much of them were more than 10 seconds, actually that's a lot. How much average they spent on your website, how many of them scrolled down, what was the average scroll. So here you can see how much people were getting scrolling to which sections. So it's pretty much gives you the good overview how your page is working and what corrections you have to make. Also, you can split tests, so you can make for the same product 2 different pages and see which converts more and which works better. So it's very, very easy, as you can see. Let's move to the next section. It's my forms. Every sales channel in modern world has the pop-in form or opt-in form, so you create those forms here. Then the data from those forms goes to my communications. So any order you have from the website will go to my communications section, and you will see all the people interested in your products here. And you can either make the further sales funnel, like automatic web mails sent to them, or you can use, for example, Zapier to send them all to Google Docs and then contact them manually. So the next section we move is my memberships. Basically, this is the section to build the membership websites, and I will show you the sample of my membership website. It's in my language because I use it for Ukrainian market. It's in Ukrainian, but still you can see here that I structured different learning materials, videos, so people can go here and study, see the progress bar, how much they have covered, and you can launch here videos, additional reading materials, links, and it's pretty convenient both for you and for people who are on your membership website. So this is the functionality to build the membership websites and to invite members. You can invite members either manually, or if people will be buying something from Kartra, they will be automatically added here if you use one of the Kartra payment gataways. Also, you can build the portals here. What is the portal? It's basically different levels of memberships if you want to have them done. So for example, someone is buying like gold package and he has the access to this area of your membership website, and the other are buying normal package and they have limited access. So if you want to build a different access level in your membership website, you will use the portal. Also, you have the great analytics here, as in everywhere else in Kartra. So we can have the analytics of your membership website, which shows how many active members you have, how many are subscribed, how much it takes for people to study through your educational material. So this is a very good insight you can use as well. Let's move to the next section. It's my videos, and here I don't have videos because if you are on the Kartra basic plan, then you would pay for the bandwidth, and bandwidth is calculated not only of the amount of video I have uploaded in Kartra, but every time someone is seeing your video, it counts like you uploaded it. So you run out of your bandwidth very, very fast, even if you have like 5 maybe videos on Kartra. So if you don't have the silver plan, I would recommend you to have the videos on the YouTube, and you can build in the YouTube videos in Kartra very, very easily. So you don't need to have videos here. But if you have the video here, you can have a great analytics. I will show you this now. Also, you can have the playlists. The playlist is like you see here, the video and videos that goes besides. It's very good for some websites and for some sales strategies. The analytics is great as well. But actually, if you have the YouTube video, you will have the analytics of YouTube, which is great as well. But just in Kartra, if you have everything in one time, it will be good. So here you have the average watching time. You have how much people played, but what I like the most is the engagement, because it helps you to scale your video. For instance, in this video, I will show you the example. You see that 79% of people view just the first 50 seconds and drop off after this. So you have to make changes to your video and put everything the most important in the first 50 seconds of your video. The next option is my calendars, and I will show you the front end of this option, which is really great, especially if you're having the business of consulting, of trainership, of coaching. You can put your calendar on your website, which will be also integrated with Calendly, for instance, and people can go there, see the hours you have available, you put those hours by yourself, they can book the appointment with you or call with you. Also, they can pay directly on the website, and only after this their call will be scheduled. So this is a really great tool which is integrated already in Kartra if you are having training, coaching or consulting business. Also, you can have analytics, how many people were subscribing to your calendar, how many of them paid. You can see your agenda here. So this is a great tool for you to work. The Helpdesks are also really good in Kartra, and I will show you also the front end, how it is working. This is the website built on Kartra, and here you can see the live chat. This is the Kartra help desk, and if the chat is not live, like if the person is not live because it's not the working time, so it will be working on the ticket-based system. People will just leave their questions, you will get in Kartra, you will answer, and people will get the answer through the email. So you will not lose your clients who are on your website, who has some doubts and want to ask you the question. So this works as well great. This website is also built on Kartra. As you see, you can have here those little things that obviously boosts your sale, like the countdown. So let's move further. Here you can totally have your help desk set up. You can see the live chats history, you can see the tickets history, what tickets were sent to you, what tickets were responded, how they were responded, so you can keep track of your communication with the clients as well here. My integrations, that's where you can integrate with the payment getaways, or if there is no payment gateway from here available, you use Zapier to integrate Kartra with the systems you are using. And in the next videos, if you will subscribe to this YouTube channel, I'll be explaining you how to do this as well. Also, you have my campaigns. My campaigns is a totally set up automation process for your business, which connects your pages, your emails, and makes the sequences, automated sequences, you can use to run your business fully automated. So this is really great tool, but for the advanced users. Also, you can have my products. This is also totally automated process, but here you can also add the affiliates, you can add the tracking links, you can add the coupons with sales, and you can enter the advanced analytics for how your product is being sold. The great thing is affiliates, because you can have the access of your affiliates to their cabinets, they can generate the affiliate links, and you can boost the sales of your digital courses, for instance, or anything you are selling through Kartra. So this was like the quick overview what opportunities Kartra gives for your business. I think it's great. I think it's very simple. I think it's very intuitional. And I remind you, you can use the 30 days free Kartra trial subscribing to the link I leave you below, and see if it works for your business, if it meets your need, and if you like using it.